Anyways, here. Oop. Doesn't it look great?
I know.
Oh, that's worth a picture. I love bread. So we go chin chin, right? We do with champagne, right? Pleasure that you hear. Pleasure. Enjoy. Bon appetit. Yeah, I've had it. Yeah.
Illegality.
Oh. All right, so now we're going to fill up the terrine, right? So you'll know that what you ate, that's what you would have done, right? We ready to continue? You bake at 375 for an hour and a half. Roasting pan with water, and you sit it in. Water has to be going halfway up. At the end, maybe 10 minutes before, you take the top off because you want the top to be nice and golden, like you saw the pate that I showed you. But you cannot eat it then. You cool off, and it has to stay for 2 days so that all the flavors get together nicely. That can go, right? And this, is it ready? Oh, yes, it is. Go ahead so it is nice and warm. Food should always be hot, warm or very warm. Then I add a little flour, and I pour a little red wine, and I let it cook slowly. And then I add mushroom, let it cook slowly. And at the end, I add the demi-glace.